This exercise involves breathing at a rate of 5.5 breaths per minute. This is thought to optimise heart rate variability, the best measure we currently have for stress. It's the simplest pattern to follow and doesn't involve any periods of holding your breath, which means it can be a great place to start for beginners. To access coherent mode, make sure your Luma is turned on and in standby mode. From here, simply short press the top of Luma twice until you see the steady glow diffuser turn orange, indicating coherent breath mode. Alternatively, you can press any one of the 4 touchpoint buttons on the base of Luma. All 4 buttons have the same function. Wait until you see this spinning indicator, which shows that you've selected a breathing pattern, and Luma will wait for you while you get yourself comfortable. Remember to sit up straight whilst remaining relaxed in your shoulders. This allows you the space to breathe into your belly using your diaphragm. Once you're feeling ready, short press Luma one more time. As the light rises, breathe in through your nose. And then, as the light fades away, breathe out slowly as though blowing through a straw. Continue this pattern, focusing on the light and the sensation of your breath. Don't worry if it takes a few breaths to get into it. Stick with it and your body will start to understand that it's time to relax. After 5 minutes, Luma will automatically end the exercise and return to standby mode. If you'd like to end the exercise early, simply long press Luma until you see the reset indicator. Thanks for checking out this short how-to video for using Luma. Don't forget to check out our other videos on our YouTube channel and website. Take care, and remember, breathe more, feel better.